Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely great. I hope you're all having a beautiful Sunday because today is Sunday and it is 7:38 p.m. As you can see, the way my face is looking fresh, I just woke up from a nap. I always look forward to Sunday nap because it hits different. So if you're new, my name is Esther. I'm a UK pharmacist, currently working as a PCN, and today, this evening, I feel like okay, I'm gonna just bring you along my reset Sunday, sort of like a prep for work for the new week. So I'll be meal prepping tonight. I'll also be outfit prepping for the week. I'm like, why are you preparing for your outfit for the week? Because I don't want to have to think about what I want to wear every morning, and also I don't want to have to come back from work and have to worry that, oh my god, I need to iron my outfits for work tomorrow, and those sort of things. I feel like I'm gonna try this and see how it makes a difference to my week. So come along. I want to cook some curry and just I can have it with rice, I can have it with pasta. It sort of depends. Come along with me.
So guys, the first thing I did was to clear the sink. I just like to have a clear sink before I start cooking, because in case I cook, there's going to be more added plate and I can really get tired of it. As I was going to cook my curry, my father said he's craving geese dodo, so I decided to make geese dodo first before I started making my food. Now it's time for me to start facing my curry, since that was the main purpose of this meal prep anyway. So I picked out my chicken breast. It has been defrosted already, and I was just cutting it into smaller pieces so it can go into my curry that I plan to cook. So this is the end result of my curry, rice and curry on the side, and I just prepared lunch for the whole week. Also, I have the habit of cleaning after cooking because I can't be bothered to wake up extra early to do this. Also, my dad would not like to wake up to meet a messy kitchen, so I just decided to just clean and clear the whole place after cooking. At this point, guys, I was already so tired. You can see the look on my face. I was so tired and I could not be bothered to do any dishes, so I just put all the leftover dishes that I used while I cooked. I put them in the dishwasher for the dishwasher to do its job for the night.
Hi guys, so it's currently past midnight. I should literally be in bed now. I have to wake up early tomorrow morning for work, but it's gonna be rainy and thundering outside. I'll definitely give you more talk about what I'm doing so you can get the point of why am I even doing this late at night, but it is what it is, but we'll talk about it later. Let's get back to Iron and the crew.
So guys, as I mentioned before, I said I was going to tell you the reason why I decided to do all of this. This is because I wanted to make sure that my rest of the week is as productive as it could ever be by taking these little things and major threshold of work out of the way. I would sit down and do another video and talk about this in detail. At the moment, I am just washing my face because I am just tired. I'm having a lot of breakouts. I don't know what is causing all this midlife crisis breakouts. If you have any recommendation I could use to stop all these spots from coming out, please let me know as well in the comments. I just brushed my teeth and got ready for bed. And that's me done, guys. That is me resetting for the new week, and trust me, my week went so smooth because all this little work were out of the way. Thank you for watching. Bye.